What's going on, tech friends? This is the one and only Tech Boss. So I said to you guys, I'm not going to be saying so today anymore, but it's just there. It's just what I do every single time I make these videos. But yeah, so I was literally have to say it again. Anyway, we got the Samsung Galaxy Tab A. I mean, I've never really brought any videos of any tablet, any kind of tablet on this channel, but I mean, once I thought about it with the iPhone, no, with the Apple, with the newest Apple iPad, whatever they got right now going, I thought about it at one point, but I thought maybe not, because I don't know. But I mean, I'm gonna try it and see if you guys like it. If you guys do, then obviously I'll bring more tablets to the channel. But yeah, like I said to you guys, we have the Samsung Galaxy Tab A. This is the 10.5 inch display, I believe. Is it the 10.5? No, this is the 10.1 inch display. This one, this is the 10. Well, I mean, this is only what they're coming. This is the 10.1 inch display. But yeah, it looks pretty damn cool. Just normal stuff. Looks flawless. It's flat. It's gonna be small. Not much packaging in it, but I mean, let's see. Like, I've never really had an iPad, never really unboxed an iPad, so we're gonna see. But anyway, the quality of the box is amazing. There's no, literally, it's perfect. There's no swaying or literally stickers are on both sides. Big props for that. So it keeps the box literally intact. But anyway, inside the box we got a few Samsung Galaxy, the Samsung Galaxy written out there on the side, and then back here we just have some IME numbers, and literally that's it. I mean, every single year Samsung is getting less and less more information on their boxes now, which looks nice because it keeps the box looking nice and slick, if you get what I'm saying. But anyway, we've got a few specs on the back here like we always do. I'll just read that out. Anyway, like I say, it's a Samsung Galaxy Tab A. It's got 32 gigabytes of storage, and then it's got Wi-Fi built in. Obviously, it's a 64-bit Aqua core processor, just like the Samsung Galaxy A95G that we had a look at in one of our videos. Click up there to see that video. And then we got it's a 255.4 millimeter. The screen is 255.4 millimeter, but obviously it's 10.1 inch, so 10 inch, and it's got a 5 megapixel camera and 8 megapixel camera. So I'm guessing, yeah, 5 megapixel camera for the front camera, and then 8 megapixel camera for the back camera. And then it's got 2 gig of RAMs, and it's got a 6,150 milliamp battery, which is good because then this will last a long time. I mean, I bought this, don't really know what I did, but I mean, I thought I did because it's a tablet. Every YouTuber has a tablet, right? So yeah, that's why I bought it. But it's probably gonna last longer because I will barely use this. And then they're bringing in the feature from the S10 to the tablets as well. This has got the Dolby Atmos sound effect as well, so you can switch that on or off depending if you want the music louder or quieter, or if you want more bass or more crisp. You know what I mean? But yeah, this is like I said to you, they brought some features from the Samsung Galaxy S10 over to this tablet. Like I said, the Dolby Atmos, and then it's got the kids home as well, which is right there. It's got the kids home. The Samsung Galaxy S10 has the kids home as well. So if you have your kids around and they want to go on your phone, instead of them going on your phone and messing about with your stuff, you just simply toggle it on the kids home mode, and all the settings, all the pictures they take would be on the kids home mode, so you can see it and they can see it as well. So yeah, anyway, enough of me talking. Let's cut this box open and see what's in the box. Boom. Boom. She's open. Oh, did you hear that squeak? Wow. The box is just very, very premium. Just put that down there like that for you guys so you can Have a look. But yeah, this is what we're presented with. Literally, the box is so flush with everything. It's so damn flush. This is what we're presented with. And then obviously you got the little tab here. As you can see there, if you can see that, we've got a little tab to obviously pull the tablet out. Wow, which is there. Wow. That's amazing. This is meant to be come with a nice case, but obviously I need to get myself in there. Oh, look, it's got a headphone jack. It's got it's got a 3.5mm headphone jack. And they're very disappointed that the Samsung Galaxy the Samsung Galaxy A90 5G didn't have 3.5mm headphone jack. I was quite upset. Very annoyed. But anyway, let's have a look. This is what is left in the box. So obviously you have the, oh, nice. Just got the normal standard shizzle. I've got the USB, the USB 2.0, no, the USB-C to your normal USB cable there. And then you got your charging brick over there. But I don't think this is fast charging at all, because if it was, it would say on it. Nah, this doesn't come with a fast charging capabilities. So that's the brick there, goes in, you charge the tablet up. And then in here, what else do we have? Ooh, this is, oh, just like always, we've got the quick start guide and the warranty card as well over there, if you can see that. That goes in here, which is cool. Nothing else in there. I wonder if we're gonna get a headphone with this. That's what I'm thinking right now. Are you gonna get a headphone with this? I'm not too sure. And then also you got your SIM ejector too there, just like every other phone is there. Then you don't get a headphone jack for some reason, don't know why. But all you get is just a box full of packaging basically. But yeah, that's it's a simple unboxing, not much to it. But yeah, let's have a look at this. Have a look at the device now. Put this all away. Right, let's see. I can open it. Oh, there we go. Oh. There we go. Let's just grab it. There we go. That looks nice. That looks nice already. Woo! Wow. We have a tablet in the house. Yeah. This is the gold. No, I was gonna get the gold, but the gold looks a little bit like rose gold, which I don't really like. But I then went with the silver one, which looks a lot way more better. I mean, I could have got the black one. Oh shit, I should have gone with the black ones to go with my setup, but I mean, doesn't matter. But anyway, let's have a look around this device. Obviously up top, we've got a nice 3.5mm headphone jack. Then on the side, we've got a big SIM ejector over there. Get your SIM card out, and then we got this power on button, which I'm gonna press now so I can power it on as we listen to this. And then we got the volume rocker, which is on the side there, and then you have your display with this big ass writing of Samsung Galaxy Tab A. And then at the bottom we have the USB charging station. Then we have the two-piece speaker, the speaker blaster, which obviously blasts the music out. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. And then at the back we have the camera, and then at the front, I don't know if you can see it, but in the middle of it we obviously have the camera there as well. But this is really big. If you were to get this, I'd advise you guys to at least put a case on it, because you drop this guy, that's it, you're done. It's gonna break. But anyway, I'm gonna quickly set this up. Obviously show you guys what it's about, and we go from there. So guys, wow, it gives you a notification. It's all set up. It's all set up. Obviously, got a charger overnight, but it's all set up, and it looks amazing. Literally, I can imagine myself getting this thing is huge. The 10.1-inch display, and it's flipping huge. Like, it's exactly like the Galaxy phones and the Samsung devices. You swipe, you know. Is there a Bixby? No, there's no Bixby on this one, but obviously you got your pages, and then and then you swipe up to get your apps at your apps. Swipe that, swipe left and right to get access to them, and then wow, I think you can actually ring people with this. That's flipping mad. You can even message people from this. Oh no, you can't. No, I think you can only call people. But this is nice, man. This is good. Let's compare the camera. Let me just have a little look at the camera. I mean, it's not great. I mean, the front camera is not that bad. The front camera is not that bad. I mean, it's not great, but it sure does make a nice portrait picture. I mean, it's not great, it's okay. It's not great, but it does make like a nice portrait picture. Now let me try the back camera. Let's see. I mean, oh wow. It's got two focal range. It's got a long focal range. No, it's got a normal focal range and a zoom focal range. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is the worst picture I've ever taken on anything. That's the normal focal range, and that's the zoom focal range there, and that the normal focal range, and that is the quality of that is so damn bad, literally so embarrassing. Wow. But yeah, I mean, you got all kind of settings here: video, photo, pro. You can do it all by yourself. Doesn't really matter. Well, yeah, that's been the Samsung Galaxy Tab S. Hope you guys. I mean, that's been the Samsung Galaxy Tab A. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video. I mean, it's not what I normally do, but you know. But yeah. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, press the bell icon as well, so you guys know where I upload a video. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in another video. Peace.